Come
Assalamualaikum
on.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay.
Okay, jap. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name IMAD Nazim bin HALIMI and also with my friend.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Daniel FIRDAUS bin RAZAK. Today, I and my friend will present our title, which is Enterprise Network and Server Operation Optimization. Okay, Nazim.
Okay, we go to the next. So for this segment or this project, we use uh, Wesco International, uh, Wesco as a company. Okay, so this is international company, but it has in Malaysia. It's complex industry supply chains, logistic organization, and advanced technological product. Established localized, resilient support platform, ensure continuity and service delivery across international boundaries. So this company is at Johor, which is Iskandar Puteri, Johor, Malaysia, and the operational focus on high capacity telecom distribution and region, regional awareness tagging automation. So for this project, we actually look at specifically the thing in this company. So the first, we go for the problem statement and scope. And the challenge is by design is about performance degradation on unauthorized, unmonitored physical parameter hardware. Second is signal degradation in terms of heartbeat errors caused by the absence of such layer on logistic. Then we have data inspection. It's about problem around attacks, advice, or aircraft failure. So for the target of the ultimate level of band monitoring and eliminate by the second router. Then the methodology design, we use the company use flight system using seven ISO 168 the local code of this in the absence of because we have credibility, communication, task to share message, communication, domain service, standard operating. Okay. And then the future logical, what we do is try to scale operation for the network external over the so this can moving from emerging schema to basic active managed and scale. And then we use the technology what we use. We use technology is the live people power measurement and baseline. The second is use fiber, link leader and mappable method. Then the improvement and efficiency. First one is VLAN segmentation. It's about physical domain, methodology part. Then second is secure server lane. We use VLAN 240 district reserve and isolate for campaign management and then third is sharing attack. It's a centralized fiber.
Okay, next, we go to current physical design. First, physical topology baseline. For the environment stress is existing logical physical line lack label and vulnerable to physical cabling strain in server rack. And then the lack of the dedicated struts cabinet guides leads to high signal attenuation and optical port issue. So for the fault tracking limits is tracing critical physical pathway in real time is delayed due to unfilled, unsegmented, and cable bundle, which is no structural partition labels and undocumented routing path. And then for the future wiring and cable, we have three, which is the first is compute zone is dedicate height ventilation core server kits hosting redundant hardware chassis with organized physical rack. Second is staging area by control evaluation block for diagnosing optical transceiver, cabling integrity and staging module before mounting. And the third one is NOC and operation. Live network monitoring dash layout allowing administrative staff to immediately act on physical link failure. Next, we go to addressing and routing. The first one is subnet addressing strategy, which is strict isolation. Server administrative block operate on isolate subnet, which is VLAN 40, which is the IP is 192.198.40.0/26. Restrict General Department DHCP nodes from reaching the host configuration system. And then for the deterministic default routing is to optimize device hardware, CPU overhead, internal edge hardware relies on static default routing, which is DR pointing outward. And next, we go to the conclusion and review. This is the last part. First is active telemetry, which is out of band monitoring protocol successfully remove bare metal blind spot, securing real-time chassis awareness. And the second one is signal stability, deploying physical fiber cleaning tools and digital DOM, monitoring completely eliminate optical link package drop. And the last one is carrier boundaries, which is define a clear local vs remote demarcation matrix slash carrier troubleshooting wait times during trunk outage. So this is for all my project. So thank you very much.